me a break. Different all the place, so I just can't escape.